Good morning. Welcome back to another daily vlog. Now I need to catch you guys up on some stuff since my last video where I just recently posted a full day of eating. I was talking about how I'm tightening up my diet and everything for the next couple weeks to see what I can do with my body to finish out the month. And then your girl got sick. Damn! I had really bad strep throat, like really bad. How did I get it? I don't know. It was so bad that my throat was swelling up that I ended up having to go to the hospital to get some meds and stuff because I it was just bad. It was really bad. My throat, everything was just disgusting. So of course I did not work out. I was home. The shitty thing about when I get sick, I'm not one of those people who loses their appetite when they get sick. I was still eating, even though I was dying with every swallow. Every time I swallowed, I was in severe pain, but I still found a way to eat. First, strep happened, right? And then second, I started to have severe pain in my stomach, bloating, just painful bloating, if you've ever experienced that. And I just couldn't figure out what was causing that. So I completely changed my diet and I went raw vegan for a few days. So actually yesterday was day 3 that I was completely raw vegan and no cooked food, fruits, veggies, nuts. That's it. Still bloated the first couple days until today. I feel so much better. So much better. I'm not painfully bloated. I'm not gonna just jump back into eating meat and everything. What I'm gonna do is, because I'm trying to figure out what is causing the bloating and what's causing the pain in my stomach, right? So I was raw vegan for those 3 days, and now I'm going to start incorporating cooked vegan meals into my diet, and then I'll slowly start working back in maybe fish and then chicken, and just slowly start bringing things back into my diet to see what was causing the pain and what was causing the bloating. Now, that was number 2. Number 3, now I'm on my period, and which is fine. I work out my period. That's totally fine. But leading up to my period is where I have the most symptoms, where I get so tired. I don't know if anybody else experienced that, but when I'm leading up to my period, the energy is gone. I'm drained, could barely leave my couch, and all I want to do, I'll sleep most of the day. Literally most of the day I'm asleep. Extremely hungry. Not even I don't crave chocolates and stuff like that when I'm on my period. I crave spicy food. I'll jack up some Takis, or I want ramen with hot sauce. That's me. So I, on top of being sick, on top of my period coming, my gym sessions have just been trash for the past week or so. I haven't worked out most of the days, and the days I did work out, I just went and did a little bit of cardio and then bounced. That's it. If you fall off, you have to jump back in as soon as you possibly can. Otherwise it's not gonna happen, and then all your gains, all your progress is just gonna be gone. So vlog today, we're getting our shit together again, because I just want to show you guys the real side of it when it comes to people in the fitness industry, because I feel when it comes to social media, you see us in shape all the time. Most people don't show when they're failing or when they're struggling, but I struggle a lot, but I keep going and I keep pushing myself, and I will continue to start over if I have to. All right, that's my morning rant. Now it is time to get ready for the gym. Oh, I need to make my bed. I'm sorry, I cannot start the day unless my bed is made. Have to. And it just makes you feel better to walk into your room and to see it nicely made. Someone asked to see my closet in one of my past vlogs, so let me just show you really quickly. This is what it looks like. I have this big dresser here, but IKEA has one that is just shorter, so it's just 4 drawers, and then you can get 2 little drawers. And so I'm gonna remove this and put that down there, because I hate my jackets and stuff touching the top of the dresser. Plus it's hard to stack things up there because it's it just doesn't look good. So I'm gonna get the lower one, that way I can even put bins on there and a tray. But I have my jackets over there. I have long dresses and jumpsuits, long sleeve tops, short sleeve tops, tank tops, 2-piece sets. Down here I have sweats, leggings and stuff, and jeans, dress pants. All my shoes over here, my sneakers, I'm like the plainest person ever, so all my sneakers are white or black. Yeah, that's it. Got some purses up there, and then all my heels and boots, same thing, black or tan. Like literally, that's it. Okay, the bed is all made. Like, this is what makes me happy to walk into. Like, yes. Now I like to go in with this spray. It is from the Casaluna. I literally can't read. Casaluna is the line at Target. That's actually where my bed linen and stuff is from. I absolutely love it. Same with my sheets. They're kind of pricey, but it's really, really good. I actually have the candle too. But this smell is called Clarity. Oh my gosh. Like, I spray my room with this after I clean it up, and my sheets and everything smell so amazing. And then at nighttime or throughout the day, I might burn the candle. So of course I'm going to put something on my stomach because I'm actually not going to just do cardio. I am going to lift right now. I'm just go downstairs. Like, I don't feel like driving to the gym. So I'm just going to grab some fruit. So I'm going to go with a nectarine and an apricot. So I'll see you guys in the gym. So I am officially done with my workout. Also did about 20 minutes of cardio after the lift, and I actually warmed up with 10 minutes as well. I just did steady state on the Stairmaster, so at a level like 6 or 7, and then that was about it. But I am sweating, but I need to take a picture for Instagram because I haven't taken a picture in forever. So that's what I'm going to do, and I'm just gonna take just like a gym selfie type pic. So yeah, let's do this. I'm home from the gym, and I realized that I was gonna make my breakfast, but I'm like addicted to like this avocado toast that I did concoction on and put together. and I'm out of sun-dried tomatoes. So instead, right now, I'm just gonna have a protein shake. I got the last one. I'm gonna have a protein shake, and this is just vegan protein, and I'm gonna shower and run over to the grocery store really quick so I can go pick up some sun-dried tomatoes, and then I'm gonna come back and like actually eat. So this is what I'm having, and this is why it's so bright in here, which is great for photos, but it is just, there we go. I'm having, this is just Evolve protein, and this is what I'm gonna drink, and then I'm gonna go take a shower, and I'll be back. So I'm back from the store, already showered, did my morning skincare and all that stuff, but I'm hungry, so it is time to eat. And let me show you how I make my little avocado, cucumber, sun-dried tomato toast. So good. The one I am using, Rudy's spelt bread and shake grain bread here. I just got it at Whole Foods. I'm just gonna pop these bad boys in the toaster. Lemon here. I'm just gonna squeeze in a little lemon juice. Pepper, garlic powder, garlic salt or sea salt, but I'm going with some more garlic. A little bit of red pepper flakes just because spice is life. There we go, guacamole. Next up, we got toast, guacamole. Then I take this cashew cheese that I made. I will put the recipe on the screen. Super easy. As I mentioned before, I've been eating raw vegan, so I made some cheese, but out of cashews. And I'm just gonna pop some of this on here. Our sun-dried tomatoes. A little bit of lemon juice. She is all done. I'm telling you, I am obsessed with this. I've been having it every single day. It is so good. This is what I'm having. Hi, boo-boo. All right, I'm back. Pretty much been sitting around all day. I haven't really had anything else to eat since earlier. I think I had another apricot and like a couple pieces of dark chocolate, but I am hungry, so now it's time to make another meal. So I think I'm gonna have like a burrito bowl, but I'm gonna have it with mushrooms. So maybe like mushrooms, black beans, some avocado salsa. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna have. Mushrooms taste like meat, put like some taco seasoning on it or something. I'm gonna slice up some bell peppers and onions. All right, I'm back. I had to run downstairs to the little market because I didn't have black beans and I thought I did. That's the best thing about our location where we live, is that we live right above a market. So just walk downstairs. Of course, I went and grabbed some stuff I wasn't supposed to be grabbing. Like these kettle honey Dijon. Oh my gosh, I love these. Some of these little, got a little gut health thing. I'm gonna try this. What's in here? Herbal tea tonic. No sugars, organic, vegan, gluten-free. Dairy-free sour cream and some dairy-free cheese, almond cheese for my bowl. So let's get to cooking. Okay, so I lost a few clips, but all I did was chop up the bell peppers and onions and put them in a pan with non-stick spray, add a little bit of sea salt, then I strained the black beans and just popped them in a pot. That was it. And then the mushrooms I diced up into little pieces, added some taco seasoning and a little bit of water, and then just cooked it until it evaporated. We gotta sneeze. Ooh. I got the allergy. Shut up. All right, so here's my next meal. I got my little burrito bowl, my rice, some black beans, peppers, onions, avocado, mushrooms, and vegan cheese. Oh, I'm gonna put a little bit of the vegan sour cream on there too, but I'm hungry, so I'm about to kill this. Okay, this was bomb to say the least. Also, maybe because I haven't had like a cooked meal in 3 days, that felt like that was like the best thing ever. But super satisfied. Now I got a sweet tooth, so I'm gonna have one of my little non-dairy little ice cream sandwiches. And then I'm gonna do some studying. I've been just studying and trying to learn about like investing and in the stock market and all of that stuff. So I've been doing some schoolwork every night. So probably gonna end the vlog here because that's all I'm gonna be doing. And today is my first day back and I feel good getting back into it. I feel like I got some stuff done today, which I'm excited about. And we'll get back to it and we'll get back to the regular scheduled post. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe.